Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you about how to create Windows Server 2022 on Amazon Lightsail. First, sign in with Amazon account. Then click Create Instance. Choose region that you want to create and hosting. Choose Microsoft Window. Then choose Microsoft Windows Server 2022. Then choose Instance Plan. Then click Create Instance. Now instance is creating and we need to wait until it's running. Okay, now it's running. So we can remote to use it by using Microsoft Remote Desktop. Here is information that you can use it to remote. Open Microsoft Remote Desktop app. Then click Add PC. Input IP address of your instance. Copy password of your instance. Then add new user account and then input username and password. Now click to remote. Waiting until it complete running. Okay, now it's running, so you can use it. Thanks you all for watching. I hope this video can help you all about create Windows Server 2022 on Amazon. And I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment below if it really helpful. Thanks everyone.